Hey guys, and welcome to the weekend. Today is Saturday, which means that school is out. The standard courses at Omeda are 3 times a day, Mondays through Fridays, and on the weekends, students have much more time to just go and explore, have fun, hang out. They often just organize these events on their own because it's honestly really easy to make friends here. Like, I get that feeling, and these students are really great friends with each other. Last night, we went to a Xinjiang barbecue with a group of students because it was one of their last days here and they wanted to celebrate.
Now, when people say Chinese barbecue, this is probably what they mean. You select the meats and vegetables that you want, and they season and cook it for you on their outdoor grill. I got the octopus, shrimp, broccoli, and mushrooms, and it was all so tasty. Now this is what happens when someone in your group is a super extrovert. She literally walked up to the owners and asked them if their daughter could teach them a folk dance, and somehow they agreed.
Now today, I'm going on a school organized excursions. They have these excursions every week and they're all like different. The theme today is we're going cycling / riding these electric scooters somewhere. I think it's like a scenic spot. But before we do that, I have to go grab a quick bite to eat because I got up late this morning. I got tired last night. For breakfast, I think I'm gonna get this 肉夹馍. I've actually never had this before, but I've seen it before and it looks like it tastes good, so I think I'm gonna ask for one. Cooking.
肉夹馍吗？刚烤好的不？
好，我要一个。
一个啊。白色香煎吗？还是？
Alright, here it is. Taste test. That's so good. You hear that crunch, that crisp? Maybe not, the mic might be a little far away. But the bun is flaky. It's juicy on the inside because you have to pour the broth on it. It's nicely seasoned. Pretty good.
And after finishing my breakfast / lunch, I had to go to the supermarket to get a snack for our picnic.
And I ended up getting a bag of shaqima, which is one of my favorite Chinese snacks. Hello, hello. Who is this again?
您好，哎，您好。
You want to introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Bill.
His name is not Bill. Okay, so since I'm here, I'm with a student here.
Oh yes.
You want to introduce yourself?
Hey y'all, my name is Bill. I'm from Australia, and I'm here studying Chinese for 3 months now. Oh yeah, very nice.
And what has helped you the most?
Talking with Chinese people. In this place, I meet a lot of Chinese teachers, a lot of Chinese students, and that has been the best thing to get the daily communication going a lot smoother.
Yeah, so actually earlier I was just talking with Ellen,
Uh-huh.
and so I forgot to mention to you guys, the camera, not you.
Yeah.
I forgot to mention to the camera that the Chinese students and the English students, they do a lot of like interaction. Yeah,
Sure.
They talk and like run an excursion here together.
Yes.
And there are English students and there are Chinese students, and everybody kind of participates together.
Correct. Yeah, that's right.
Hair looks nice today.
Thanks, appreciate it.
You guys didn't see his hair yesterday. My hair looks worse because
Well, you can get a haircut in China, just 5 USD, something like that, or 4 USD.
actually
That's a good price.
I do plan on doing
Oh,
that.
do you toast best?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, let's talk about these electric scooters they have in China, because they're so much fun, and honestly, they were a highlight of my trip. They're typically battery powered and charged via conventional household outlets, and their range is usually between 30 and 60 kilometers. However, you are sharing the road with a lot of other vehicles, so traffic can be a little bit messy.
just arrived at our destination. Here's everyone. Camera's gonna turn around. Here's the scenery. This is the crew, everyone. He just gave me this little watermelon. I've never seen watermelon this small before. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, yes.
What is that?
I think it's mango chips. It's not mine. I just.
This game is called Number Boom， 就是数字炸弹。数字炸弹。Like 就是 when the first people say 15, so.
They're like trying to figure out the rules of the game they want to play. And I think they're a little confused. So I'm just come by the river and show you guys. Honestly, you know what? This river smells exactly like the rivers back home, which is strange. It's like all these rivers have the same smell or something.
Like, I kid you not, this smelled just like the Fox River in Chicago.
Wow, 好棒啊，帅哥！
And meanwhile, the rest of the students were playing all sorts of different games. But I watched a few of them, and the only one I really understood was charades.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
What? All right, go, go, go. No. I hope that was a good shot. Snacking, throwing rocks by the river, and the sun is setting. Zola. Okay, we're going home. Update, we made it back to the school, and I think I might get lunch with a few of the students. And the sky is already dark. 天气已经黑了. Oh, can't even speak. That was a fun day.
A few moments later.
这个比如这个是飞起来就是这个是跟随，中距离它就会识别我人脸，对，它会跟着你，对，识别我人脸，对，它就会
它不动了，它不动了。
功能键按着不动，
这个，
对，这是功能键，不是那个是电源键。对你，对，然后你朝着这脸，对，它会，对，然后你就走，它就会大概就会跟，对，它对它好像是4米，它有4米的，然后你去手接住它就可以了，它会落在你手上。哦，对，这个很这个是。
Now we are on our way to the restaurant, and as you can see, Yangshuo is beautiful at night. The restaurant we went to is called Liaoge, and this place is very popular with the locals. It's crowded outside and on the inside, even though it is pretty minimalistic and you sit on these little plastic stools. The food was quite good though, and here's a sampling of what we got.
So, we have finished with dinner, and we decided that we're gonna go to Xijie. How do you say Xijie in English? It's like West Street. We're going to West Street, which is like the touristy district, with more food and shopping and stuff. 为什么叫Xijie? 他们解释. Okay. I was told it's called Xijie, which means West Street, because in the past there were a lot of foreigners that went there, and most of them came from the West. So, hence West Street. It's like sensory overload over here. Oh, 我要吃。
糕点。
这19一盒，买3盒送1盒。
好吃吗？应该王肉先吃，妈妈先吃。
对哦。
他们这个应该在前面。
谢谢啊。枣和腰果cashew and dates. It's okay.
然后这边就是书法的一些东西。
哎，书法，我对这个
你写书法吗？
我之前感兴趣，但是我已经有好久没有。
我可以送你一幅我画的国画，虽然我还没开始，但是我以前是画画。
哦，真的吗？
但我画西方的画。
这个。
写字。
还真的可以写字哎。
你可以。
你可以抄。哎，你能拍我吗？
我可以拍你，我给你找一支笔。
好。大概是。These are the first characters I've written in like 2 years.
Wait, I low-key impressed myself with how good this turned out. Like, look at how nice that hook looks.
静夜思 is the famous Tong Kong.
Right.
They have a wall here. It's mail to the future self. So you can buy one of these postcards and write a letter to yourself and then throw it into one of these dates or one of these future years, and they will actually send it to your address when the time comes. 哎呦！哇哦！
哇，好多啊！
什么爱人之间的祝福吗？对。If only I had somebody to do this with, that would be so cute. 好，这个老师，你好，顾着拍。评价。
感觉有点咸。
有点咸。我是酱。
它酱类都是会偏咸一点点，
对啊。
难吃嘛。你回去配饭配面条吃它。
We have a carrot. This might be pickled spicy carrot. It's actually really good. I enjoy it. Unfortunately, this stuff is not very easy for me to take back to the States. 哇，这边有吃的东西真的太多了。这其实在美国我看过，拉法。
欢迎光临阳朔第一家顶好。
This is the candy that he's pulling. Crunchy, not sticky at all. It's alright, but I don't really prefer the taste, to be honest. 我还没注意到，渣男。渣男 means someone who's like unfaithful and a player. You tell people. Playboy is 渣男. That's so funny. It's humorous. 什么？
你要试一下吗？我跟他说了。
你要吃？
你要试啊？你不要试。对，吃完就试一下。试一下。感觉怎么样？感觉怎么样？感觉怎么样？真的坏了。
Well, that was a fun and exciting day, but I'm tired and ready to go to bed. Everyone's back in their dorms and I'm back in mine. If you want to experience Yangshuo Learn Chinese here, there's a link in my description to save $200 RMB on tuition. Check it out down below. See ya. Or use the code AB Chinese. Until next time.